includes Interstate 99 from mile markers 42 to 85. Locations impacted include State College, Lewistown, Huntington, Clearfield, Belfont, Tyrone, Phillipsburg, Newport, Mifflintown. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Northeastern, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 1:45 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Mainville to West Hazleton to Nesquehoning, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 119 to 139. Locations impacted include Tamaqua, Shenandoah, St. Clair, Mahanoy City, Frankville, Ashland, McAdoo, Girardville, Hometown, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, and Oneida. There is no safe place on the highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. The National Weather